Comment below if you think this is a good or bad idea. Welcome to Project Vayner episode 6. So let's do a recap on the week. Thursday night and I just got this shelf. So what do you think? Looks a little bit cleaner, right? So I will have my charging station at the top, camera gear and things to my desk here, papers and stuff, and here I have to do something about this, but it's a start. So I just had dinner and I was watching Peter McKinnon talking about the background in the video. It's quite interesting. Listen to this.
You do have stuff behind you. A key to kind of make it not so busy is just move it back, which brings me to point number 2, which is creating depth between yourself and the background. The further away the background is, it always looks better. It always looks more cinematic. Now, I did have things behind my head in my old set.
Should I do like that? Should I move away from the desk so I actually have some distance from me to my desk? Maybe that setup will look better. You might think that switching the background doesn't make that much difference. But moving the camera to another place can actually make a big difference. I have noticed that the more work I put into filming, the less work I can put into editing. And still get an interesting video. Kit! Seriously? One of the best things with having a sister in UK is that she can order cheap stuff from Amazon and then send it to Sweden. Boom! Look at this. Red whips. And ND filter. Damn, that's small. How do you even... Or is it called a UV filter? I might have ordered the wrong filter. Damn. This is gonna be so helpful. I'm gonna show you why. So you have the cable like this, and then you take one of these. Bam! So easy. Okay, but what is this? Oh. My thought with this is, since I'm going to travel around in July, it's going to be really warm and you want to have like fresh clothes all the time and you don't want to burn your skin. So this is my plan. Protect myself from the sun. It protects you from the heat, and it also protects the shoulder and the neck. Maybe have it like this or maybe like this. I think this will be good. Comment below if you think this is a good or bad idea. Okay, new package. Probably the most important package for my trip in July. Ta-da! What do you think? Let's try it out. 6 days left until my vacation starts, and we're going out in Europe. So a lot of preparation left to do. Today I'm gonna wash some clothes and start packing. During this week I need to call some hostels and book those, and also book seats on the train. So we have kind of a plan on where we want to go, but we'll be quite spontaneous. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So see you next Sunday.